Had to stop off at the Superdrug, but the lady in there is just on her phone. Not on her phone, she's on the phone to someone, but it seems like there's only one person working at the pharmacy and everyone else is just queuing, waiting for her to finish. So I'm just gonna go to work, pick up what I need later. That guy just smiled right at me when he saw the camera on my helmet. Slow, 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 slow. Oh, for fuck's sake, all that water. Oh, fucking water. Aquaplaning. Ooh. I don't actually mind being out in the wet weather. What I do mind is being out whilst it's raining. It can be the absolute... But people need to look where the fuck they're going. Cyclists are terrible, man. What was I saying before that guy on his silly little Brompton just went straight through red lights? Yeah, it can be the lightest amount of rain, and because you're in a forward motion, it's absolutely pelleting your face like it's going super fast. Just going this lane, so I don't like that guy behind me, man. It's too close. Too close. I can't let you get close, man.
Stop. I can't let you get close. Can you hear my...
I can't let you get close. Man, I love this bike. There's always police in there. Always. What is up with that? These 20 miles an hour speed cameras that literally drop you to a snail's face in the middle of the night are prime to get you fucking bike jacked. There's a couple of youths ready to jump out and get your stuff.